Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss case studies for CLSP subject. First question, whether any person comes to be appointed as director. So for on the director appointment they will ask a question. Remember the three rules. They will miss any one of them, so you have to write no, not valid. The rules for the directors that are he has to be uh, the minimum capital amount should be the company should not be exceed more than 10 crore investment. He should be a member of Indian Chartered Accountant Association. He must be having a law degree, then only he can be appointed as director. So remember, on director appointment question, if they ask, you have to write not valid and give three reasons. Second question, answer to the question whether the registered office is in different area and they can hold its special ordinary meeting elsewhere. So they will ask on a special ordinary meeting. Here the question is, the registered office is in different place and they want to conduct the meeting in another place. Write the answer yes if they are conducting their meeting in our country, any place in our country. If they are doing the meeting in outside the country, then it is not valid. They have to conduct the general meeting in our country only. Next question, answer to the question whether a director in a company can be removed for lack of education qualification. If they ask for education qualification and the removal of director, according to the 2013 Company Act, there is no such education required for becoming a director to the company. So you have to write this is wrong. Any education is not required for becoming director. Next question, answer to the question whether a director of a company can give away his seat in meeting to his relatives. So in meeting, if the director is busy in other work, he sent anyone from his relative to conduct the meeting, it is illegal. So the company director should attend the meeting and he has to take the responsibilities of the meeting. So his attendance is compulsory. He has to come and he cannot transfer his duties and responsibilities to the relation. Next question, name any they will give any name business and ask for how to set up and what are the advantages. So to set up they have to conduct four steps. For registration of the company they have to do total four steps. First one, set up the development stage, registration stage, share capitalization stage, obtaining certification to the starting the business. So these four steps they have to complete. Then the advantages for the for registering as company are more capital, more efficient, more extensive of business, less fear of loss, and regular liability, limited liability. So these are the advantages of company. Next question, can a private company raise shares from the public and issue prospectus? So private company, if they mention private company, right answer no. This is wrong. So private company cannot collect the money from public. They cannot issue the shares to the public because private company cannot be issued shares from public according to the 2013 Company Act. Only prospectus they can give, so they can give the prospectus to the public. Then next question, a person can be director of more than 15 companies. So 15 companies are the limit of the director. So to become director, if he exceed more than 15 companies, then he is not allowed to become the director. When asked to illegate the matter of debt, so above for the debt question you have to write yes, any obligation he can put on the court for against the company. The person who has given the loan to the company, he has all the rights to collect his debt. He can put the case in the court. Next question, answer to be written when asked to move office of a company to another location. If the company wants to move its location from one place to another place, they have the rights to uh, trans, uh, uh, transfer its place only in our country. They cannot be moved abroad. So these are the impost. Sorry, in another there is some questions. A written answer to any question or asking to written order. So written order can be changed for any reason. There is no conditions for the written order. They can change the written order by taking the permission in general meeting, directors and members of the company. Can you start a business without getting a business start certificate? Yes, we can start the business without getting the start certificate. Next question, answer to the question whether dues due to the secretary and directors are recoverable. If the company is closed and there are dues of secretary and director, he can they can withdraw 5 months salary, remuneration and other incomes. Only 5 months. Can a company be registered without filling an application letter? This is incorrect. Without filling an application letter, they cannot register. So these are the important questions for case study. So we will see in next video. Thank you.